It has really been a very special assembly. It's an event that every year we have surprises. And I think the first surprise was this beautiful sun that illuminated, the landscape of Sweden, but also the enthusiasm of everyone for the future we are going to live in. First of all, very, very interesting sessions about data, how we share data, how we use data. We are going to be more and more a data-savvy society and economy, and it was really refreshing to see so many contributions about this debate. Then the big future with the capital B, the quantum, how we are going to use quantum computers, quantum communication, quantum sensors to make our life more secure, more interesting in terms of new discoveries, and also more green, by the way. Then we spoke about something that is going to be a change for everyone, which is the European digital wallet. It will make our life much simpler. We'll use, to check in hotels, to actually buy medicines in a place which is not our home town, our home in terms of country. So the idea, in a nutshell, is that this is really being a European citizen. Again, a lot of enthusiasm, debate, so it was really a very, very good event. So I wish you also enjoyed by being here or watching it online, and stay tuned for the next one next year.